Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: IndiGrid wins renewable energy power evacuation project. Bajaj to set up electric vehicle manufacturing unit in Pune. Updates related to solar projects and tenders. Coming to the details. Renewable Energy Corporation Power Development and Consultancy Limited handed over the special purpose vehicle Kallam Transmission Limited formed for construction of transmission system for evacuation of power from renewable projects in Osmanabad area 1 gigawatt in Maharashtra to consortium of IndiGrid. The work involves establishment of 400 kV 400 220 kV substation at Kallam and line-in line output of 400 kV double circuit Parli Pune transmission line. The project is targeted for completion in 18 months. Bajaj Auto Limited will set up an electric vehicle manufacturing facility at Akurdi in Pune with an investment of 300 crore rupees. The facility, for which work has already commenced, will have the capacity to produce 5 lakh electric vehicles per annum and cater to both domestic and exports market. The first vehicle from the new unit, spread over 500,000 square feet space, is expected to be rolled out by June 2022. The unit at Akurdi is co-located with Bajaj Auto's state-of-the-art R&D center to foster greater collaboration, leading to faster time to market, and should transform the facility into a hub for design, development and manufacturing of a complete range of electric vehicles. Pune Municipal Corporation, along with Energy Efficiency Services Limited, plan to generate solar power and utilize it. The plant is planned to come up in Marathwada or Vidarbha region on government land. Pune Municipal Corporation would need to give 12.48 crore rupees as investment to acquire 26% equity stake in the project. It is expected that Pune Municipal Corporation would buy energy at 3 rupees 40 paisa per unit from SPV, and the rates would be stable for next 20 years. The Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited has invited bids to procure 500 megawatt of solar power from decentralized solar projects under Component C of the PM Kusum program to be developed in the state. The government aims to solarize 1 million grid-connected agriculture pumps of individual capacity up to 7.5 horsepower by 2022. The last date to submit the bids online is January 24, 2022. The Solar Energy Corporation of India has invited expression of interest for supply of 1800 megawatt DC of solar modules, including cells manufactured in India under domestic content requirement category. SECI has invited expression of interest from solar cell and module manufacturers to supply modules to assess the availability and commercial parameters. The last date to submit bids is January 21, 2022. The module should be delivered in financial year 2023-24. Additional news today: 86 thermal power plants are running with critical coal stock. Indian Oil is setting up a 100 kilowatt green hydrogen plant at its Jorat field in Assam. Ministry of Power nominated NEEPCO, NHPC, THDC and SJVN to execute 29 hydro projects of total capacity 32,415 megawatt in Arunachal Pradesh. APEPDCL has achieved 60% completion of underground cabling network project of 755 crore rupees in Visakhapatnam. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 172.64 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night, 1 rupee 95 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day, 3 rupees 10 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening, 4 rupees 2 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock, 3 rupees 18 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 40 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network, and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 3.58 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 4 rupees 32 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.